to make an easy 5-flavor shrimp and Creole rice Fiesta bowl. This recipe is beginner friendly. Pineapple and coconut Creole seasoned rice with grilled jerk, hot peach, Old Bay, lemon pepper, and coconut shrimp all in one bowl. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a pot on medium to high heat, add 1 cup of coconut milk. Using the juice from the canned pineapples, add 1 cup of pineapple juice. Now add a 1/4 cup of water. Pour in the contents of the rice packet into the pot. Add a teaspoon of your Creole or Cajun seasoning. You know what time it is. Add a little bit more seasoning and stop playing. Cut your pineapples into chunks and add as many as you like to the rice mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Stir all of the ingredients until well combined. When the rice begins to boil, turn the heat down to low. Cover with a top and cook for 20 and up to 25 minutes. Place your shrimp into a bowl. Check the shrimp for any bad smells, discolorations, bumps, or bruises. Check the back of the shrimp for a black vein. The black vein is the poop of the shrimp. Remove and throw away any black veins. Continue this process until all of the shrimp has been checked. This is an example of a bad shrimp. This shrimp has some type of growth or bumps, please take the time to inspect your shrimp and throw away any bad smelling or bad looking shrimp. Using a colander, rinse the shrimp several times in cool or cold water. Drain the shrimp, return to a clean bowl, and place the shrimp to the side. Insert the tip of the wooden skewer into the tail and through to the top of the shrimp. Add 5 to 6 pieces of shrimp per wooden skewer. If using an outside grill, please soak the wooden skewers in cold or cool water for 15 to 20 minutes before prepping. This is to ensure that the wooden skewers will not burn while cooking. Using a spray of your choice, lightly spray both sides of the shrimp. Then place the shrimp into the refrigerator until needed. Remember to take the shrimp out of the refrigerator at least 10 minutes before grilling. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of each seasoning into each of the small bowls. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the olive oil into the jerk, lemon pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. Mix each of the seasonings individually until well combined. Then place your seasonings to the side. Using a grill on medium-high heat, add the shrimp skewers to the grill. This recipe will cook between 5 and 7 minutes. Smaller shrimp take less time, larger shrimps will take more time. Please adjust your cooking time accordingly. After 1 minute of cooking, begin to turn the shrimp onto the other side. Begin to baste the shrimp with each of the individual seasonings: the Old Bay, the lemon pepper, the jerk marinade, the hot peach, coconut, and the lemon pepper. Continue turning and basting your shrimp every 1 to 2 minutes. Your shrimp is done when it is light pink in color. Please do not overcook your shrimp or it will taste like rubber. When your shrimp is done, remove it from the grill and place it onto a platter. Using the tostada bowl, fill the bottom of the tostada bowl with the pineapple and coconut Creole seasoned rice. Now add the 5 flavored, grilled, seasoned shrimp to the top of the coconut and pineapple Creole seasoned rice. Cover the top of the shrimp lightly with olive oil. Now add dried or fresh cut chopped parsley to the top of the shrimp. And here you have it, the easy 5 flavor shrimp and Creole rice Fiesta bowl. Coconut and pineapple, Cajun or Creole seasoned rice, topped with Old Bay, lemon pepper, jerk, hot peach, and coconut shrimp. This is definitely a flavor boost for your palate. Serve it as a romantic dinner for 2, or just keep it for yourself. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you for taking the time to watch this recipe. Easy 5 flavor shrimp and Creole rice Fiesta bowl. You are greatly appreciated. The music bumping this video is called Late Nights by producer CAUSMIC. This music is available at the YouTube free audio library. You know what time it is. Like, subscribe, share, and thumbs up this video. And stop playing. Until the next video. Bye, guys.